It's 6 in the morning. And I was like, I'm going to sleep in today. Because I have to get up at 4 in the morning tomorrow to catch a flight. So tonight was like my last morning that I could sleep in, you know. And I work at nights, you know, I get off late. I mean, I didn't get off that late. I got off at like 10:30, but then I had to watch Next Level Chef afterwards. Ready? You get a little, oh, it's still hot. Little piece of potato, and then this flaky salt, and then... It's hot. It's hot. Anyways, moral of the story is I'm supposed to be sleeping right now, and my stomach just starts growling. I was like, really? So we'll see if I can go back to sleep after this. It tastes so good, it's just so hot. So, like, imagine, oh, I didn't even say where I'm going. You guys want to guess where I'm going? You can guess, because I feel like I shouldn't tell you, and I should just let you guess. It's hot. It's a hot potato.